Hey guys, welcome back to Not Your Average Joe's Garage. I'm Landon, and we're back working on this low buck LS motor for my 68 C10. Hey, as you can see, low buck sometimes gets you in trouble. Bought a cheap part off Amazon, and here we are, taking it back apart to fix a few things. Basically, bought a cheap, as you can see, steam port kit from Amazon, China, and here we are. Broke the bolt off in the head, tried to easy out it, tried to weld it, nothing would get the bolt out, and so back to the machine shop it went. And so we're going to carry on. Today we're going to be installing on all the painted goods of our accessories onto the front of the motor as we wait for the head to come back. All right, let's go.
Okay, so I'm spraying some gasket cinch on the water pump gaskets just to make them stick. It helps in installing. I run all the bolts in finger tight to make sure that all of them go in properly before tightening them down. Going off GM specs, my first round of torque is 11 foot-pounds. And then I move up to 22 foot-pounds and torque it down. After torquing down the water pump, I then installed the tensioner. Being that my truck will have AC, we reinstall the AC bracket and then torque it down. And then now we're going to install the AC pump. And once again, torquing down to 37 foot-pounds of torque. Now it's time to install the power steering and alternator bracket. And now we're going to torque it down to 18 foot-pounds of torque. Last but not least, we're going to install the alternator back onto the bracket.
All right, guys, well, that sums up today, putting on all the painted accessories. Like I said, it's a low buck motor, so we're not going super fancy. We're just dressing it up, making it look nice. Putting the factory intake manifold back on it later on after we get that head back installed, and then away we go. Hey guys, I wanted to say a special thanks to Trucking Rivals for sharing us out on Instagram, as well as he's got his own channel, so check him out. Also, like, subscribe, hit the little bell thing like right here. I think that's where it's at. And I appreciate everyone following along on this build, and we're gonna keep it going and keep the fun rolling. All right, guys, have a good one.